Hey everyone, have you ever got restricted on LinkedIn and don't know what to do? Or maybe you're managing multiple LinkedIn accounts and constantly worry about getting flagged or banned. Don't stress. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to recover a restricted LinkedIn account and share game-changing strategies to manage multiple LinkedIn accounts seamlessly. Ready to take control? Let's dive in. First, you need to know why LinkedIn restricts your accounts. Restrictions can happen due to the following reasons. 1. Suspicious activity, sending too many connection requests, viewing excessive profiles, or using non-compliant automation tools. 2. Policy violations, posting inappropriate content, using fake profiles, or violating LinkedIn's user agreement. 3. Verification issues. LinkedIn might suspect bot-like behavior or question your identity. If your account's been restricted, don't panic. Here's how you can fix it step by step. First, check your email. LinkedIn typically sends a notification explaining the restriction. Read it carefully to understand the reason, whether it's too many connection requests, automation tool use, or an identity verification issue. Second, follow instructions. If LinkedIn requests identity verification, upload a clear photo of a government-issued ID or passport as directed. Make sure the name matches your profile to avoid further issues. Then, submit an appeal. If you believe the restriction was a mistake, head to the LinkedIn Help Center and submit an appeal via the Contact Us page. Explain your situation professionally and provide any requested details. Finally, wait patiently for the answer. LinkedIn's support team usually takes a few days to review your case. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Avoid creating new accounts during this time. It could lead to permanent bans. Remember, once your account is reinstated, be sure to follow the link community guidelines to avoid being restricted again in the future. And if you have multiple LinkedIn accounts, avoid managing them in one device. Otherwise, it may make the situation worse. LinkedIn's algorithms are sharp. They track your IP, browser fingerprint, and activity patterns. Switching between accounts on the same device or using automation tools can trigger flags, verification prompts, or even permanent bans. If you want to securely manage multiple LinkedIn accounts without getting flagged, MoreLogin is a game changer, which creates fully isolated browser environments that mimic separate devices. Each profile has its own digital fingerprint and proxy, so LinkedIn sees each session as a completely different user on a completely different device. Here's how to get started. If you use the link I provide, you'll get 150 free profiles for 15 days. Otherwise, you can only get 2 free profiles. Next, create a new profile. You can choose Chrome or Firefox, and browser versions are also available, but it is recommended to choose the latest one. MoreLogin is available for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS operating systems. You can also customize fingerprint information, proxy support custom additions, or direct purchases on platform. If you have self-proxy like me, just enter the proxy info. Here, just paste all info in, it will automatically recognize and fill in and check the proxy, pass. After that, you can also pre-add account information and import cookies to quickly migrate data from other fingerprint browsers. Once all the information is filled in, click Confirm and then click Start to begin. You can create more profiles to test them out. Each profile will have different languages, fingerprints, and time zones, ensuring complete isolation between accounts. No bans, no red flags, safe access anytime, anywhere. Try it today and give your account the freedom it deserves.